Alright, so, yeah, I don't know how much of this I should show, but I've decided to set myself up for hanging out here, and I'm using sheets for privacy on the sides of my vendor tent that I've owned for many years and haven't even bothered to open. Got me a nice little fire going over here. For some reason my dog doesn't want to come out here as of yet, but cat is. Cats are always out here. Oh, yeah. So let me show you what I'm doing. Yeah, look at that. Okay. All the way. All the way. They look like power lines. And look, just in case you didn't notice, there's some on that side too. And see, that's where the sun sets over there. So they had to, wow, this is difficult. All right, so they're trying to cover up the sun. They're obvious about how they're covering up the sun. And, you know, I have no idea what kind of people look at my videos, but in case you don't know, you can look it up. Harvard has come out publicly saying that they are doing geoengineering. And nothing's changed in your skies. But they came out saying it was public, so, you know, they've been doing it all along. They just finally admitted it, I guess.